Welcome back, ladies. Today I'm reviewing 3 sizes of my stunning vintage Chanel top handle bags collection. Each adorns with 24 karat gold hardware. In no particular order, I start with the single straight flap vintage Chanel. It's made of glossy pattern leather. The sheen of this pattern leather add a modern twist to this vintage design. And ladies, this is an ideal choice for adding a touch of glamour to any evening ensemble. Iconic, classy, gorgeous, elegant. My kids are on holiday, so excuse me when you see them running around the camera. My closet, the lightings are not working, so I make my video out of my closet. But yeah, this is what you get when you're a mom of 2 busy boys. It's spacious and fits in all the essential, including your mobile. Glamorous, so beautiful and chic. Top handle bags. Ladies, would you like a styling video with this my bosses? Let me know in the comment section. Chanel still my favorite because it's so cute. Bonjour. The second is the micro mini Chanel flap top handle. It's crafted from lustrous lambskin leather. This petite piece is perfect for those who love minimalistic yet sophisticated look. This soft lambskin texture leather complements the gold hardware beautifully, my ladies. I'm making it a chic accessory for any occasion. Ladies, if you haven't seen my previous upload where I reviewed and styled this petite cutie, I will leave that video at the pinned comment. It is gorgeous. I could style it up and down. Ladies, I have paired both the single straight flap plus the micro mini Chanel top handle. Look at it. It's the highlight of Chanel craftsmanship. Stunning, elegant. This is timeless, giving me that 70s Senora rich auntie vibe. I love it. Beautiful. My husband will say, "You are shameless, Nancy." I love my purses. So when it comes to my purses, I blush a lot. This is everything. So pretty. So who say glossy pattern leather and lambskin can't go well? Tell me, are they pretty? And lastly, I have the medium classic flap vintage style. It's also in a lustrous lambskin leather, my ladies. This iconic vintage piece is the epitome of Chanel elegance, combining a spacious interior with the brand signature. It has a 24 karat gold quilted pattern. And this baby can effortlessly transmit from day to night. If you are a fan of vintage fashion or looking to invest in a timeless classic piece, this is a must-have handbag in your collection. And the iconic 24kcc with no chain strap gives it an extra modern twist to the Chanel. Your opinion, ladies? Would you purchase this iconic, classy handbag? Let me know in the comment section. This is one of my favorites. Okay, agreed. All my handbags, I always say, oh, this is my favorite, this is my favorite. But this, it's timeless, it's gorgeous and stunning. It's everything. Bellissima. Tutto bello. And it's made in France, by the way. A quick show of how it look inside, the interior inside, and what it fits. This little cutie and this cutie, it fits a lot. That's its inner zip, 2 pockets inside, and also behind we have a purse to keep your mobile temporary. It is everything. Ladies, have you liked and shared this video? If not, please do so now. Thank you. Which of these vintage top handle purses are your favorites? My favorite at the moment is this little cutie buttery lambskin. Thank you for watching. Bye.